All right, the drink we're about to make is called Bermuda Bouquet. Go ahead and fill up a glass with ice, and we're going to measure out 1 ounce of gin. We're going to follow that up with 1/2 ounce of apricot brandy and 1/4 ounce of triple sec and equal parts of orange juice and sour mix. And then a splash of grenadine. All right, go and use your shaker. Just give it a couple of shakes, just enough to mix it up. Nothing too extreme. And go ahead and pour it into your glass. All right, add a straw. And you've got a pretty Bermuda Bouquet. Bottoms up.